Configuration management. An essential component of DevOps and IT operations is configuration management, which is the methodical processing of changes to preserve the consistency, dependability, and integrity of infrastructure and software systems. A variety of procedures and instruments are used in configuration management to oversee and automate the setup of servers, software, and other IT resources. Ensuring that systems are set up correctly, cutting down on manual errors, and streamlining the deployment and maintenance procedures are the main objectives. These are some crucial configuration management components: automation, goal, automate infrastructure, and software component configuration and management. Benefits include faster deployment, fewer manual errors, and consistency across environments. 2. IAC, or Infrastructure as Code. Use code, scripted files, to manage and represent infrastructure instead of relying on human procedures. Enhances infrastructure modification, version control, traceability, and repeatability. 3. Configuration. Items. Recognize and control distinct configuration elements like servers, databases, and application settings. Allows for tracking of changes to individual elements and granular control. 4. Version control. Utilize version control systems to monitor and oversee modifications to scripts and configuration files. Offers team member cooperation, rollback possibilities, and a history of modifications. 5. Configuration. Baselines. Establish a baseline or standard configuration for various settings, production, testing, and development. Makes comparing with the present condition easier and offers a point of reference for consistency. 6. Change management. Create procedures for examining, approving, and carrying out configuration changes. Manages the implementation of modifications to reduce hazards and disturbances. 7. Audit and compliance. Conduct routine audits of configurations to make sure they adhere to security guidelines, laws, and industry best practices. Preserves regulatory compliance and reduces security threats. Configuration management techniques support effective deployment procedures, assist firms maintain a stable and dependable IT infrastructure, and promote cooperation between development, operations, and other stakeholders in a DevOps environment.